If you love exploring the latest wellness trends or exposing the ones that don't live up to the hype, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about hydrogen bath bombs. These aren't your average fizzy spheres. They claim to detox your skin, ease muscle pain, and even deliver antioxidant benefits. All while you soak in the tub. Sounds too good to be true. Let's find out. So what exactly is a hydrogen bath bomb? Unlike regular bath bombs that are all about fragrance and fizz, these ones release molecular hydrogen gas into your bathwater. According to the companies behind them, that hydrogen can be absorbed through your skin and act as a selective antioxidant, which basically means it targets bad free radicals and leaves the good ones alone. Some even say it mimics the healing effects of Japanese onsens, natural hot springs known for their mineral-rich, therapeutic waters. The claims? Deep skin cleansing, muscle recovery, inflammation reduction, and even improved circulation. So, let's talk science because I was skeptical too. There are a few early studies suggesting that bathing in hydrogen-rich water might help reduce inflammation, soothe irritated skin, and promote healing in tissues. It's also been linked to improved skin hydration and reduced oxidative stress. But most of this research is still in its early stages. A lot of it involves animal models or small-scale human studies. So while the findings are promising, we can't say for sure that these benefits translate directly from a bath bomb to your bathtub. Also, these bath bombs can be reused up to 6 times, which I thought was pretty cool. Though by the 4th soak, the effects felt noticeably weaker. I found a study National Library of Medicine about. So is it worth it? If you're into wellness and enjoy treating yourself to relaxing baths, I'd say hydrogen bath bombs are a nice upgrade. They might not be miracle workers, but they do feel luxurious and may offer real benefits, especially for people with sensitive skin or sore muscles. But if you're expecting life-changing results, keep those expectations in check. It's more of a bonus wellness tool, not a replacement for good skincare or medical treatment. Have you tried a hydrogen bath bomb? I want to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment and let's compare notes. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and hit subscribe for more real talk on the latest wellness trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.